Hi everyone, I'm Veko Sakezo, Hindi teacher at FS Pungro. Today we shall see our chapter 5, Hindi textbook, Bhasha Madhuri for class 6. Here in this chapter, our heading is Sacha Mitra, which means true friend or best friend. We have our friends and many friends among our friends also we have like closer friend, which we call as true friend or best friend. So our chapter 5 in page number 17, in the first paragraph it says, दो बालक एक ही पाठशाला में पढ़ते थे. Two students were studying together in same school. एक का नाम था रमान, दूसरे का नाम दमान. One student's name was Raman, another was Daman. दोनों में अच्छी मित्रता थी. They had a good relationship. दोनों साथ साथ पाठशाला पढ़ते जाते आते थे, which means they used to go together to the school. एक साथ किताबें पढ़ते थे and they used to study or read together. दोनों की कक्षा अलग अलग थी, फिर भी their class are also different. समय मिलते ही दोनों मिल लिया करते थे. Maybe after school, whenever they get time and all, they used to meet each other. उनकी मित्रता से कुछ लड़के जलने लगे. But some friends were getting jealous with their relationship. उसमें से एक था Malkit, and among their friends, one person's name was Malkit. सब ने Malkit को उकसाया, which means all the other friends encouraging him or pushing him to go for that work. Malkit ने सोचा जैसे भी हो इन दोनों को आपस में लड़वाना है. He thought that whatever it may be, I have to make them or I have to break the relationship. Second paragraph. एक दिन Malkit ने रमान के बस्ते से रोटियां चुरा ली, which means one day Malkit finished up Raman's tiffin. आधी छुट्टी के समय दोनों मित्र मिले. In the break time, recess time, they met for tiffin. Raman ने Daman के साथ रोटी खा ली. Raman had tiffin with his friend Daman. Malkit सब रोज घात लगाए रहता. In this way, Malkit used to steal their tiffin. उसने एक दिन Daman की भी रोटियां साफ कर दी, which means another day also he completed Daman's tiffin, which means stole everything. He ate up everything. जब दोनों मिलजुल कर खाने लगे तब Malkit आ गया. In the break time, when they met for tiffin, at that moment Malkit also came. बोला Raman आज तुम्हें बदला ले ही लिया. Said that Raman, today you already took revenge. उस दिन Daman ने तुम्हारी रोटियां चुरा ली थी, आज तुमने उसकी चुरा ली. Which means that day Daman you stole his tiffin and you finish up, and today you finish up his tiffin. Okay, next page. दोनों चकित रहा कर एक दूसरे को देखने लगे, which means they got surprised and they were looking to each other. Okay, वे आपस समझ गए कि यह Malkit का ही काम हो सकता है, and they came to know that was Malkit. Okay, next paragraph below the picture. एक दिन Daman बीमार हो गया. One day Daman got sick. Raman अकेला ही पाठशाला आया, and Raman went alone to the school. Malkit उसके पास गया और बोला. Malkit went to him and said, आज तुम्हारी मित्र नहीं आया. Today your friend did not come. कोई बात नहीं, मुझे भी अपना मित्र समझो. No problem, you can also make me as your friend. Raman चुप रहा. But that time Raman did not say anything. Malkit खुश हो गया. Malkit was feeling happy. बोला say, तुम Daman को इतना मानते हो, वह तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं समझता. Said that you consider him as your best friend, but he was not taking you in that way. वो कह रहा था and he was saying, रमान से पीछा छुड़ाना चाहता हूँ, फिर भी गोंद की तरह चिपका रहता है. Which means he was saying that I was also or I want also to go together or to make friend with him, but he's a type of gum, something like to paste somewhere. Okay, he's like that. आखिर तुम क्यों दमान के पीछे लगे रहते हो? At last, why are you chasing after him or behind him? Okay, उसकी कक्षा भी अलग है. His class also different. तुम मेरे साथ रहा करो. You make me as your best friend or you stay with me. रमान को उसकी बात अच्छी नहीं लगी. रमान did not like or agree with his word. वो दमान के घर मिलने गया. Maybe after school he went to his house. उससे सारी बात बताई. दमान समझ गया and he told everything what he heard from him in a daytime, and Daman also came to know everything. Okay, उसने कहा, he said, मलकीत से तो मेरी कोई बात ही नहीं हुई. He said that I did not say anything to Malkit or to him. Okay, वह हम दोनों को लड़वाना चाहता है. He want to make us separate or he want to break our relationship. Next paragraph. अगले दिन रमान दमान ने सारी शरारत आचार्य महोदय को बताई. The next day, Raman and Daman went to school, went to office, and told and shared everything to the headmaster or headmistress or principal what they heard or what they faced before. Okay? आचार्य जी ने सभी बच्चों के सामने मलकीत को समझाया, and that headmaster called every student and gave a lesson in front of all the students to Malkit and saying that दो अच्छे बालक रमान और दमान परस्पर मित्र है. Which means two good students friend, they were in good relationship and in good friend. तुमने उसमें लड़ाई करवाने के लिए रोटियां चुगली की. ये गलत आदत. Which means you have stolen and you used to steal their tiffin and gossip about them in order to make them separate or to break the relationship. This is not a good idea or practice. In that way, he gave moral. बच्चों सबको मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए. Students or children, we should stay together. प्रेम से खेलना चाहिए. We should play with love, which means we should love ourselves to each other. परिश्रम से पढ़ना चाहिए. We should study hard. बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए. We should also give respect to the elders. सबकी सेवा करनी चाहिए. Which means we should also serve for everyone. वस्तुतः ये है हमारा chapter 5 explanation. Till then, we'll meet you on next class for next chapter.